Hello, and welcome to Day 2 of your 5-Day English Challenge. You did an amazing job on Day 1, and now we're diving into something exciting, talking about your hobbies in English. Simple phrases to talk about hobbies. Do you know how to say what you like in English? It's easier than you think. Let's start with 3 simple phrases. I like, I enjoy, I love. These are the most common ways to talk about hobbies. You can use them before any activity. For example, I like reading. I love swimming. See how easy that is? Many learners know these phrases, but struggle to use them naturally. The key is practice. Let's try saying them out loud right now. I enjoy painting. I like cooking. Notice how each phrase shows a different level of interest. Like is general, enjoy is stronger, and love is the strongest. Here are some examples you might use. I like watching movies. I enjoy playing tennis. I love listening to music. See how we add ing to the verb after these phrases? That's because we're talking about activities we do regularly. Studies show that mastering these basic phrases first helps beginners gain confidence faster. Now let's try asking questions. You can say, do you like, plus any activity. For example, do you like hiking? Do you enjoy dancing? These simple questions can start great conversations. Imagine you're talking to a coworker. You could ask, do you like coffee? If they say yes, you might reply, me too. I enjoy trying new coffee shops. Here's how a real conversation might sound. Person A, do you like photography? Person B, yes, I enjoy taking pictures of nature. Person A, that sounds interesting. What kind of nature photos do you take? Practice these short exchanges to get comfortable. Soon, you'll be able to talk about your hobbies and ask about others' interests easily. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they'll feel. You've just learned how to express your hobbies and ask others about theirs. Next, we'll take it further by adding more details to make your hobby conversations even better. Adding details to your hobbies. Talking about hobbies isn't just about sharing your own interests, it's also about learning about others. Good conversations require both speaking and listening. Many beginners focus only on talking about their hobbies, but forget to ask questions. This often makes conversations end quickly. Let's change that by learning how to ask about hobbies naturally. You've just learned how to express your hobbies and ask others about theirs. Next, we'll take it further by adding more details to make your hobby conversations even better. Start with simple questions like, what do you like to do? Or, do you enjoy activity? These questions allow people to share what interests them. Research shows people remember conversations better when both people ask questions. A study found that conversations with balanced questions lasted 3 times longer than one-sided ones. Try follow-up questions as well, like, what's your favorite thing about that hobby? Or, how did you start doing that? These questions show real interest. Practice these question patterns. Person A, what hobbies do you have? Person B, I collect comic books. Person A, that's cool. How did you get into that? Person B, my grandfather gave me his collection. Person A, that's awesome. What's your most valuable comic? And now you know how to ask about hobbies and respond in a natural way. This skill will help you connect with people in English. You've learned simple phrases like, I enjoy and I love, how to add interesting details and the right questions to ask others. These skills will make your conversations better. Try practicing with a friend, or even by yourself in front of a mirror. Say the phrases out loud until they feel natural. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Keep using these tips in real conversations to become more comfortable. Tomorrow is day 3 of our challenge, and we'll learn something new. See you then. And happy practicing. Thanks for watching.